Welcome back. On Monday, forms of North Goa parliamentary seat were scrutinized. After the scrutiny, all the forms were found in order. In all, 7 candidates would contest the Lok Sabha elections in North Goa, including 2 independent candidates.
As the election time is nearing, the election process too is speeding. On Monday, all the forms of the candidates were scrutinized. The forms were scrutinized at Collector's Office in Panji for North Goa candidates. NCP candidate Jiten Deshprabhu, BJP candidate Shripad Naik, MGP candidate Pandurang Raut, Christopher Fonseca of CPI, Upendra Gaonkar of Shiv Sena, and 2 independent candidates Narsima Salgaonkar and Martha D'Souza would also contest the Lok Sabha elections for North Goa seat. Here is what the collector of North Goa, K.S. Singh, told us.
We had around 16 nomination papers filed by 8 candidates, and we have checked up. All the nomination papers were found to be in order. In one case of Dayanand Raghunath Sopte, he was a substitute candidate of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Since the nomination paper of the main candidate has already been accepted, found valid, so as per the instructions of the Election Commission of India, his nomination was rejected. Because the instructions are that if some candidate has been put as a substitute candidate and the nomination paper of the main candidate has been accepted, then the nomination paper of the substitute candidate will be rejected. So thus we have 7 candidates in the fray.
Our reporter in Panji, Yashwant Parab.
MiG-29K complex was inaugurated on Monday at INS Hansa, Daboli. As a mission for Blue Water Navy, the Indian Navy is acquiring state-of-art MiG-29K aircraft from Russia. The MiG-29 complex was inaugurated by Flag Officer, Commanding-in-Chief Western Naval Command, Vice Admiral J.S. Bedi.
The MiG-29K squadron will be based at INS Hansa in Daboli. The first of 3 hangars and the part of dispersal along with one taxi link is ready for the first batch of training the Indian crew. Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief Western Naval Command Vice Admiral J.S. Bedi informed us about the aircrafts.
The Indian team consisting of our pilots and maintainers are already in Russia doing their training, and if the first batch of 4 aircraft should be available with us by the middle of this year.
Sir, how many aircrafts we expect?
Total of 16 aircraft have been contracted for, out of which 12 are the strike aircraft and 4 are trainers.
And they will be attached to INS Vikramaditya?
Well, they will be based ashore, and it's called the Indian Naval Air Squadron 303. Right? It will be based at Hansa and will embark Vikramaditya as and when the aircraft carrier is available.
J.S. Bedi briefed on the training that will be provided to the Indian crew.
The training facility is being executed under the under a project being undertaken by DRDO, right, which will consist of 2 phases. One would be the ski jump from where the aircraft is designed to take off, and the second is a facility which has got the arrestor wire. Both these facilities are designed to help the pilot train ashore before we put him on board the aircraft carrier, and both the facilities would be actually to scale of what he is likely to meet when he embarks on board the aircraft carrier.
Our reporter at Daboli, Surendra Madkekar.
The engineering students have started another hunger strike at Goa University. The students informed that the registrar had promised to entail blanket 80 KT provision for 6th semester students, but they have enforced it from the 7th semester students, which is not acceptable to them.
After the students of Engineering College called off their strike on 25th March, on Monday the students were seen again agitating at Goa University. The students said that the registrar had assured them that they would give them blanket 80 KT, but the management has forwarded a circular mentioning blanket 80 KT for the 7th semester students.
We were asking for blanket and to allow students to sit for the first and whatever for which they are thrown out, to allow them to get in the college. That was our demand. So right now they have done nothing. They have just told that they have passed a circular to the colleges, and nothing has been done in students' favor. They have just manipulated things and passed a circular.
Suraj Gaonkar, an engineering student, said that they would agitate till they get justice.
Which we were asking for the blanket, they said that it will be applied for 7 semester students. We were fighting for the 6 semester students, and they applied blanket for 7 semester students. So today again we are on a hunger strike, and this time it will be till everything comes to our favor. That's it.
Our reporter in Taligaon, Yashwant Parab.
Stay tuned for more news in our next segment. Watch marvelous rise on kayaking and cricket coaching camp at Bicholi.